Since CapCut became a paid platform, I have been using all the pro features for free without stress. I'm not talking about me screen recording it or maybe using the hacked version. No, I mean pure usage for free without watermark or any restriction while exporting. Here is exactly what I did. Whether you are using a phone or a PC, you will be able to do the same without wasting money or looking for other alternatives. If this is what you want to learn, kindly subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up and share to anyone who needs it, because a lot of people have stopped content creation since CapCut became a paid platform. And if you're also a small YouTuber who want to connect with other YouTubers and grow your channel, you can check the description box and join our WhatsApp community where we connect and grow. Now that we are together, let's go get CapCut Pro for free. For Android users, the first thing you are going to do is to uninstall your current CapCut. Yeah, if you have any CapCut you are currently using in your phone, you have to uninstall it first. And to do that, you just have to hold on it and then you uninstall or delete. That is how it is done. And once that is done, you just go to your Chrome browser and type CapCut older version APK. Once that is done, you select this first one that is saying older versions of CapCut Android. This is it. Now that you are here, you have to install the CapCut. But before you do that, make sure you go to your setting and enable unknown app installation. So you go to your setting. Once you are here, search on unknown app. And then you can see install unknown apps. Then you allow your file manager and browsers too. Mine is already allowed. You just come here and allow it. Once that is done, you come to this place and download. After downloading and installing, you are going to see your CapCut here. And once you click on it, it's going to give you access to all the pro features for free. Just click on it and start using. You can import any video or picture you want to work on and start using it anyhow you want. So let's test and see. So let's just start with test. Anything first. The effects you can see is loading. And these effects here, all of them are on Pro. None of them is actually free. So I am choosing this particular one first. We'll do other stuff so that it will not be as if I just choose one particular one. Then we'll go to auto captioning. You and I know that auto captioning has a lot of pro. You can see pro, and even the free ones that are here, I think you can only use it once in a month. So you can see all of them are pro. You click on one and allow it to generate. Okay, it is here.
Everything you are seeing here is,
you can see. So let me position it properly.
Everything you are seeing here is an AI generated picture. Yes.
You see, that is it. So there are a lot of pro features here. Most of them it is written pro, while others they are not written. Just use as you like. Don't be afraid that it is pro, right? Use as you like. And once you are done, I can simply export this without any restriction. You see, and I come to my gallery. Is there watching me because
everything you
it
are
is
seeing
free.
here is an AI.
Because it is free.
For PC users, the process is almost the same. Just uninstall the CapCut you are currently using. Go to your browser and search for up-to-date CapCut PC older version and select version 1.4.0.188, which will give you free access to all the pro features. So all you have to do now is download, install and enjoy all the pro features for free. This is the particular method I use personally because when CapCut became paid, I saw a lot of people talking about screen recording and others, and whenever I do it, it doesn't work for me. It doesn't give that quality I really want for my audio especially.
So whether you are a phone or PC user, if this knowledge is relevant to you, if it's going to be really useful to you, please tell me in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're a new or small YouTubers looking to connect with other YouTubers who would help them to push their content, then check the description box and join our community. Thank you for watching today. See you in my next video. Bye.